Hi guys, so before you take your Canvas quiz, I wanted to review with you just a little bit everything that we've learned in class so far. So the first thing we're going to review is long division. So our problem that we're going to solve is 352 divided by 32. So right now we're going to ignore the 5 and the 2 and just ask ourselves how many times the 32 goes into the 3, and it can't. 32 into 35. 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 minus 3 is 0, and this is when we drop our next number down. 32 into 32 goes once. 32 minus 32 is 0, so the quotient for this problem is 11. You also need to know multiplication, so we're going to solve 247 times 89. So we always start multiplying with the number in the lower right hand corner. We're going to do 9 times 7, then 9 times 4, then 9 times 2. So 9 times 7 is 63, 9 times 4 is 36, plus 6 is 42, 9 times 2 is 18, plus 4 is 22. Next, I'm going to cross out the number I've already multiplied by. I'm going to cross out the numbers that I carried and add my 0 placeholder. So now we're going to multiply everything by the 8. 8 times 7, 8 times 4, 8 times 2. So 8 times 7 is 56. Put down your 6, carry the 5. 8 times 4 is 32, plus 5 is 37. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 3 is 19. And we're going to add our numbers at the bottom. Okay, so the product on this one is 21,983. The last thing you need to know for your Canvas quiz today is order of operations. So we're going to work through 6 squared plus 24 divided by 8 minus 2 squared times 3. Alright, so order of operations is parentheses, then exponents, multiply and divide from left to right, and last, add and subtract from left to right. So since parentheses come first, I'm going to look at my 2 squared times 3. Exponents come before multiplication, so first I'm going to solve 2 squared, and that's 4. Underneath it, I'm going to copy the whole rest of the problem, going one step at a time so I don't get mixed up. Remember, you need to keep those parentheses until you've solved all operations. We still need to keep working on our parentheses over here. So 4 times 3 is 12. Copy the rest of the problem in front. Now that I've solved everything inside the parentheses, I'm ready to go look at my exponent over here. So I've got a 6 squared. Remember, that means 6 times 6, and that's 36. Copy the rest of the problem. Now we're down to addition, division, and subtraction. And we all know that division comes before adding and subtracting. So 24 divided by 8 is 3. The answer goes right underneath, and then we're going to copy the rest around. We're down to adding and subtracting. Those go from left to right. So our next step is 36 plus 3. And the last step is 39 minus 12. So your answer in this one is 27. All right, good luck. I'll see you tomorrow.